so Mercedes C63 205 shape. This has 20-inch alloys on. This has already came in for stage 1 tuner as well. But now we're going to rectify the arch gap. It is sitting quite high. So what we're going to do is fit some Eibach lowering springs, which will lower the ride height and also improve the handling. So let's take it into the workshop and get going. And there we have it, the Eibach springs fitted to the C63. Obviously we're using the standard dampers, so you've still got like the active suspension control. When you change it into sport mode, it will still stiffen up the suspension because it's obviously the standard dampers. Now the fitment with these 20-inch alloys is pretty much bang on perfect. It gives a lot more sportier look to the car without compromising the ride comfort as well. At the rear it's pretty much the same story. It's just eliminated that arch gap and sits so nice now. So again, another successful upgrade. Be sure to click that subscribe button, and for all your modification and upgrade needs, visit our website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.